Let's go. So this is a hotel and that one is my room. And she is Sharmishta, my crew. Say hi.
Hello.
Looking so sexy. So these are my other crew. Say hi. Sexy mama. Hi.
All well. How are you?
We are good. How are you? So that is a cab waiting for us. We are off to Bapu Market.
Thank you.
Thank you. I don't need the camera or something else. This lens is nice. So we are about to reach. और वहाँ पे हम क्या क्या लेंगे शर्मिष्ठा? What are you planning to buy?
I'm planning to buy nothing, but I'm planning you are going to buy a lot of things.
For sure. मैं कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगी, but then I'll just look for kurti, look for their jutti and their bandish kurti, the ones which has that dots, no, white color ka dots.
Tie-dyes.
Yeah, those are the things.
Look for buttais. Yeah.
And if there is Jaipur ka souvenirs, chore like elephants, camels and everything, I want to buy that. And I've heard that जहाँ पे हम जा रहे हैं, the name of the place is what? Bapu Bazaar.
I think this is very complicated.
सिर्फ बाजार में जाना है. यही है बाजार. I think we've reached. So that is the bazaar. So this woman.
The karas there.
So इस लड़की ने 250 का चीज 150 में बोला. Imagine, and he agreed. So this is how you bargain. Here is my love.
Mine too. अच्छा आप भी बनाते हैं?
This is how they make it. कितने सही बना रहे हैं लोग ना.
So pretty man. आप ये क्या इयररिंग्स बना रहे हैं?
हाँ, इसका शेड नहीं बनता.
बहुत भीड़ है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
लगता नहीं. I don't think so. Corona is not here anymore.
है ना. ऐसा लगता है कुचल के चले गए लोग. मेरे को मेरे नानी वही बोलती है कि हम ना किचल के चल मार दिया हमने कोरोना को.
मैं लगता नहीं है. People are not wearing masks. They're not following social distancing. लोग इतने ज़्यादा रोड पे हैं.
Bapu Bazaar, here we go. Bapu Market. Bapu Bazaar. तो आप जब भी इधर आओगे तो आप इधर आ सकते हो. And you'll go crazy. Please, but you have to make sure one thing. Cash बहुत सारा लेके आना.
Everything is very cash here. No cashless.
I know. Look at the slings. Look at the bags. Oh God, I'm in love. These are the juttis. Looking for. So मुझे ये पसंद आया. Heaven for girls. God, this is so pretty.
My mom is going to give me sarees.
Sari for yourself or your mom?
Me?
Okay.
Mom is more like suita pajama.
She is bong, by the way. Obsessed with ethnic wears, huh?
Especially sarees.
Saris, and she's looking for this bandish design, they call it. That's pretty. I think they just. Yeah, free. Guys, can you see all the designs? It's so classy and so nice. But the only thing is, they're not ready to bargain, which is a sad thing. Oh God, I'll go crazy over this. I just bought what do you call that? See, It is so colorful. Jaipur is so colorful, yeah. But the only problem is you get so confused. And these are things I bought already. So this is called New Gate. That is the Jaipur Museum. That's our hotel. चलो चलते हैं. I'll drop something. Here comes whatever I bought. Total of 4 things, including my bag. That's our hotel for today. See how beautiful it is.
We are on the second floor.
Yes.
Second floor.
We are on the second floor.
I'm so tired.
So tired. I want that punch.
Nice perfume.
Yeah. We are tired as hell.
आंखें देखना. Shit man.
Okay.
Way to the room.
Yes. Yes, girl. That's a hotel. Looks like this at night. Hana? It looks like a dome. That's the reception. I like the property. अब तो हम
103 को मैंने 109 बोला है. वाह. What a marketing.
I know.
That's
a room. क्योंकि सांस भी कभी This is our room. So tired. So tired. चुता है चपानी यार. It's only 150 rupees. Can't believe it. I was so sure that it will be for 500 rupees. But जब हमने पूछा वहाँ पे कितने का था 100 rupees for this. But this one is for 150 rupees because the quality is better than that. And look at the काम यार. What do we call this? Handwork. Embroidery, right?
Yeah.
Or a patchwork.
नहीं, this is not patchwork.
यार इतना सुंदर चीज़ के लिए they are just charging you for 150 rupees. बट मैं कल उसके लिए मुझे डर लग रहा है कि CI सब मुझे रोके ना because it comes under DGR, है ना?
Not DG.
sorry. AFSEC, yeah, security. It can be used as a weapon to immobilize a person or maybe a crew, or maybe I can use it in Sharmishta.
Any irate person.
Maybe I can immobilize Sharmishta, my R1. Made me a hibiscus and what? Fennel tea.
Ting.
Thank you so much.
गरम है आराम से.
What is this taste? मैंने क्या खरीदा यहाँ पे is this beautiful elephant. ये 3 का सेट है 100 rupees. 120 कोट कर रहा था वो, but then I got it for 100 rupees. I think I'll keep black वाला.
बाकी दोनों
ये मेरे फ्रेंड के लिए. खाते हैं एंड देन हम चलते हैं. मैं इधर देखती हूँ, इधर देखना चाहिए पर मैं उधर देखती हूँ. आज इतना बकवास गए थे ना, मेहनत करके हम लोग जयपुर गए, बापू मार्केट गए, पर it was okay.
बाबा जी का
ठुल्लू निकला सच में यार.
But then you know what?
It was not that cheap also. It was expensive.
NSP था.
हाँ.
Lens of प्राप्ति से कहते हैं वो था. It was nice. Looking at those things, it was nice. But the feel.
When you go near to that.
Especially the last note जब वो क्या वाला किस्सा होता है तेरी की में.
बोलते हैं दूर के ढोल सुहाने लगते हैं, वैसी था. It was so nice. मतलब ऐसे लग रहा था colorful things. Oh, I want to buy everything possible.
all the glitters that shine is not gold.
Correct.
The entire market was very shiny.
Yeah, the moment we came, like we went
Ooh.
close. All that tadak bhadak wala cheese. See, no offense to anybody if you like that kind of, you know, glittery things, but I don't like it. She's so nice that she forgot her mask.
And just like you did.
And she gave me the reason that मैं खाना खाने तो जा रही हूँ. Live puppet show. Woo! See, we are going to have our buffet. So this is the buffet. We have soup, some starters, kebab, and then some salad. That is the main special food of Rajasthan. That's dal bhati churma. I don't know how to eat it, but I'm gonna ask them. And some salad. Hi you guys. And this is the section where we can just order bread and everything. This is the section of dessert. Boom. What is this? Some noodles. Of course, why not? Yeah, thanks. This is some desserts. And yeah, thank you. And as you know who she is, she's already started. And I'm gonna have this. What is this? Okay, this is called dal bhati churma. That's chicken curry, fish finger, and some juice. I'm gonna enjoy my food. So can we please appreciate the staff from this holiday in Jaipur? They made this specially for us. And this is amazing like anything. Like we have tried mojito from, you know, all over the place. Different hotels, different places. But this mojito is irreplaceable. What do you think about that? Amazing it is, no?
Esa, I have never tasted such mojito.
Something like that. Same here. So refreshing, yet very tasty.
Everything is very balanced and perfect.
I'm happy.